How to make a DIY Halloween wreath. What you'll need. Step 1. Cut 10 9-inch pieces of each ribbon. Step 2. Cut the tulle into 10 10-inch pieces. Step 3. Cut fishtails on the ends of only your wide ribbons. Step 4. Fold the wide ribbons in half, scrunch up the center, and fit the U-shaped push pins around the ribbon. Then pin. Step 5. Add the tulle pieces. Using the same technique, pin the tulle in any empty places. Optional, for extra flair, add a unique ribbon. Shop Halloween ribbons and packaging at papermart.com.